want to see if I can cut my clothesline foul. Let's see. I want to go ahead and cut that one that died. We have some new ones here. So I'm gonna cut that one, see what I can find. These are puffy like this. Feels like an IMAX theater in a sense. In order to find any seeds, but I guess I take a look here. Might be too soon. But look, the back of the sunflower. But I'm not seeing anything, so I don't know if I picked it too soon. Yeah, this. Okay. So it's possible that I picked it too early, since this is a very small breed of sunflowers. Maybe the seeds won't be that big, but I'm not sure. Maybe this one has a potential to be a sunflower seed, maybe. Right here. So I think I will allow these to die off a little longer before I pick it. I thought maybe it would have been ready to pick, but doesn't appear so. Good morning, friends. It's around 11:15 in the morning, and we're due to have some rain today. Guess there's storms in Houston. Now it's headed our way. But what caught my eye to come out here is the sunflower. Got a couple more sprouts from the sunflower, or blossoms I should say. Some pretty blooms. Let's take a close look. Look at that pretty flower. I still love the back of the sunflower. Here's one that's getting ready to open up here. Quite a few little sunflower buds on one plant. So I have this one, this one, couple here. And there's one big one right there. So as I mentioned in the previous sunflower video, I was hoping that when they die off, I'd like to try and harvest some seeds and maybe roast some seeds. And wow, there's a lot of snails. Roast some seeds and maybe make some sun butter. But look at, can you see the snails? A lot of snails. Okay, so I have to rely on these ones here because that video I did when I went for a walk down the street where there was a lot of sunflowers, my plan was to see if I can harvest seeds, but the maintenance people that maintain the landscape in this development, they mowed them down. Well, you can see, but back there there's plenty of sunflowers, and I wonder how long they will last before they mow those down. Otherwise, I'd love to see if I can do some harvesting there as well. It looks like a chilly day, but it's actually quite warm. Should be, I believe, 87 is our high today. Well, the rain came. Took about maybe 3.5 hours to get here. But it finally arrived. It's just a drizzle. Nothing too heavy. Nothing too hard. Wow, friends, look at that huge black rain cloud that just came over us. Look at that. Huge cloud.